Talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click on photo profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on profile. So then you come to next step here, then you click here on profile, just click on it. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to subscribe to trading statements here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me. Subscribe to trading statements. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.